Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you how you can use Topgrade. So as you can see, this is the address topgradeapp.com and this is the website. So as you can see here we have some options. So this is the attention, this is like a calendar, news, forums. So in this case you can have your own account or you can log in with your Google account. So in this case I want to start with my Google account, with my Google, and okay, so I'm going to log in. Okay, this is a website that allows you to create like quizzes, surveys, flashcards in order to practice the content. So this is the website, this is the home, the attention, this is like a calendar when you can write the events, for example exams, or you can write your reminders. This is like a forum, this is for message, and you can modify your profile, settings, contact, and also you can see the results and others. So this in this part, these are the resources for the site. So you can create like a quiz, surveys, or even flashcards. So we are going to create a quiz. This is the title. For example, I'm going to write like American countries. American countries. Okay, you select the category. So this is geography, and you are going to create it. Okay, so in this it says that I don't have questions, so I can add in this part. You can create it, so I'm going to add the questions. Okay, so in this part you have to select the title of your test, so it can be multiple choice, fill in the blank, and matching, order. It can be true or false. We are not going to use this because if you want to use it you have to pay it. So I don't want to pay, so I'm going to use multiple choice. Why? Because I like that the students they think so. It is a good option. For example, in this part you write the questions, so it can be, for example, which country is in America. This is my question. So you can add a picture for this question, but I'm not going to add it. Then okay, in this part these are the correct answers, and this is this is the wrong answer. So in this case I want to write the correct answer. For example, it can be the United States. Okay, so these are the wrong answers, so I'm going to write, for example, France, and the other one can be Germany. It can be Germany. Okay, and in this part you can modify the time, so it can be for a minute or just for seconds. So it can be, for example, 50 seconds. Okay, in this case you can write an explanation. It is optional. For example, if the answer is wrong, so the students are going to know why. So it can be, for example, France and Germany are in Europe. In Europe, you can save it. Okay, so as you can see, here you have the question. These are the questions. In this case I just have one, so you can continue adding more questions. So it has this option. You can play it with a student or with groups. and or you can share it. So I'm going to show you how it works with a student. So these are these options. If it is free, you can use it. So I'm going to use standard. Okay, so this is the question. As you can see, this is the question. It says which countries in America. These are these are the options, so the students have to choose. And okay, this is the time. So for example, I'm going to select the United States. So it shows if the answer is right or wrong. So in this case, it says that it's right. So the students can check the answers or they can continue with others. And so on. And this is the explanation. For example, if it is wrong, so it shows that France and Germany are in Europe. And you can continue with that. And also in this part you can see the results of your students, and you can share it. So if you share it, you can copy the link or you can insert the code in a website. You can share it with social networks. So you decide. So I like this website because it is interactive. Students like to play. So I really recommend it. Thank you.